Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation. Chapter 18, Shloka 58. Fixing your mind upon me, you shall, by my grace, overcome all obstacles. But if from egoism you will not hear me, you shall perish.
Chapter 18, Shloka 58. Machchitta sarvadurgani matprasadhat tarishyasi atha chet tvamahankaran nashrosyasi vinanksyasi.
Chapter 18, Shloka 58. What happens to those who refuse to follow this seemingly difficult path is explained. In the last shloka, Lord Krishna said, by your thoughts renounce all your activities in me. All activities are only the expression of the one consciousness through the body. So, in all activities, be conscious of the Lord. Soon, the body will begin to work under the command of such an inspired intellect. Lord says, he who has completely fixed all his thoughts upon me will cross over all difficulties by my grace. The grace referred to here is the result accrued in our mind when it is properly tuned up to and peacefully settled in contemplation upon the infinite. Those who disobey the law of life are warned by the Lord. He says, but if from egoism you will not hear me, you shall perish. This is not a threat, but a statement of fact, as there is an inevitability in the laws of nature. Man is free to choose freedom or bondage. Guidance as the soft, small voice of the within is always there, but man's ego and the egocentric desires force him to disobey the ringing voice of the Lord, and he pursues the low life of sense gratification and gets punished by his own uncontrolled emotions and crude ideas. Hence the warning, you shall perish. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.